right, it is our last day for Heggerty. Ready? Okay. Tell me which word does not rhyme. Which one should not be in this group? Which one does not belong? Snoop, stew, scoop. Snoop, stew, scoop. Good. Stew does not belong. Score, store, swap. Score, store, swap. Good. Swap does not belong. Okay? Scale, stool, stale. Scale, stool, stale. Good. Stool does not belong. All right? Swerve, spill, skill. Swerve, spill, skill. Swerve does not belong. Good. Last one. State, skate, speech. State, skate, speech. Good. Speech. Tell me if these two words have the same beginning sound. Ready? Player, planner. Player, planner. Good. They do. They have the same sound. What about blizzard, scorpion? Blizzard, scorpion. No. Standard, stamina. Standard, stamina. Good. Yes, they do have the same sound. Flicker, slender. Flicker, slender. Nope, they're different. Last one. Blossom, bleachers. Blossom, bleachers. Good. Yes, they have the same sound. Ready? Now we're going to chop up our words. Let's say all the sounds. We'll make sure we break them all apart. Ready? Sk, I, sky. Slid, slid. Smoke, smoke. Snake, snake. Spine. Stamp. Swish, swish. Skate, skater. Slope, slope. And last one, sleep, sleep. All right, tell me the middle sound in these three words. Ready? Stick, glitch, flip. Stick, glitch, flip. Good. It has our short I that says eh. Ready? Flock, slot, stock. Flock, stock, slot, stock. What's our middle sound? Good. The short O. That says ah. Next one, ready? Flex, step, bless. Flex, step, bless. Good. Our short E that says eh. Next one, clap, glass, staff. Class, glass, staff. Good. Our short A that says ah. Next one, smoke, stone, clove. Smoke, stone, clove. Good. Our long O. Next one, stage, snake, blank. Stage, snake, blank. What's our vowel sound? What's that middle sound? Good. Our long A that says A. And our last one, sweet, steam, plead. Sweet, steam, plead. Good. It's our long E. All right, ready? This time we're going to say the word and we're going to chop it up. The word is skate. What's the word? Ready? Skate. The word is sled. What's the word? Sled. Sled. The word is smudge. What's the word? Ready? Smudge. The word is snip. What's the word? Snip. Snip. The word is spider. What's the word? Spider. 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 The word is stem. I'm sorry, the word is steam. What's the word? Steam. S-T-E-M. Steam. The word is sweater. What's the word? Sweater. S-W-E-T-E-R. Sweater. The word is slippers. What's the word? Slippers. S-L-I-P-E-R-S. Slippers. The word is spin. What's the word? Ready? Spin. S-P-I-N. Spin. Last one. The word is slide. What's the word? Slide. Ready? S-L-I-D. Slide. All right. Say peller. Say peller and add s. Speller. Say wimmer. Add s. Swimmer. Say mile. Add s. Smile. Say peak. Add s. Speak. Say wan. Add s. Swan. Say tates. Add s. States. Say table. Add s. Say stable. Good. All right, this time we're going to take a piece away. Ready? Say skin. Say skin, but don't say skin. Say slow. Say slow, but don't say slow. Say smell. Say smell, but don't say smell. Say snacks. Say snacks, but don't say snacks. Say space. Say space, but don't say pace. Say stack. Say stack, but don't say tack. Say sweeter. Say sweeter, but don't say sweeter. Say skunk. Say skunk, but don't say skunk. Say swim. Say swim, but don't say swim. Last one. Say skip. Say skip, but don't say skip. All right, last one. We're going to change the beginning sound. Ready? Say black. Change bull to sn. Snack. Say still. Change st to sp. Spill. Say bluff. Change bull to sn. Snuff. Say blog. Change bull to sm. Smog. Say flap. Change full to sn. Snap. Say clamp. Change cool to st. Stamp. Say trim. Change tur to sw. Swim. Say trash. Change tur to sm. Smash. Say small. Change sm to st. Stall. Last one. Say plant. Change pull to sl. Slant. Great job, friends. We are all done with Heggerty for this week.